And so when he's eating or munching something, his nose is trying to let the air out. Like, huh? Yeah. I'm teaching Tommy how to wash clothes, and he doesn't know.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. Hindi na natin kailangan ng ilaw. Alis po ako. I don't know kung sasama si Tami. Tulog pa kasi siya. Kaninang umaga dito ako natulog kasi yung ilong ko tulog ng tulog, guys. Iwan ko na lang talaga. Look, may bagong tubo. Ayaw ko itong tumubo ng sobra. Kasi kapag siyang tumubo siya ng sobrang taas, mga ganito lang sana yung ganong tubo niya. So, kinakat-kat ko yung pag may bagong tubo nito, guys. Ang sabi pa, bukas daw, maganda daw yung temperature bukas. I have to go to the car kasi ang dami kong gamit sa sasakyan. And kunin ko siya. Punta na naman ako sa isang bahay. So, ako, kulang yung tulog ko din, pero gusto kong umalis. Ayaw kong magmukmuk dito, guys. Parang mag-iba yung pakiramdam ko kapag nagmukmuk lang ako dito. Kahapon, nagmukmuk kami. Wala kaming ginawa. Dito lang. The whole 2 days. So, si Tami, hindi okay yung pakiramdam. Kasi, mukmuk lang kami ng mukmuk. Napagod ako eh. Ang daming gamit sa sasakyan. Ang problema kasi hindi siya inano ni Tami. Nilagay sa box. So, inaisa-isa ko siya. 4 o'clock in the morning, andito ako kasi talagang hindi kinaya ng ilong ko. So, sabi ko, bakit yung ilong ko agas ng agas eh? Every morning talaga. So, hatching ako ng hatching and then nilalabas ko lahat sa bathroom. Kasi kapag doon ako sa bedroom namin, maingay. I have to get up and then open the door and then blow my nose. You did eat this one? You did. Tignan nyo to. You did? Huh? You did? Who did eat it? Misty? Misty eat? Okay, I'll give you something. No guys, gusto na naming umalis kaso si Misty ayaw mag-ihi. Ihi na, pipi na. Upi, come. Right here, let's go. Come right here, this way. La, this way. La. May snow. Come, go pipi. Isita. Roxy, enough. Go pipi, Misty, hurry up. Go pipi. Good girl. Go pipi. Go pipi. Roxy, you go pipi, Misty. You go pee. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's go in na. Yun lang yung hinintay namin. Andi na alis na kami. Kanina lang. Hi guys. Yun si Mister. Si Mister? Si Misty pala. Nahilapan. Hindi naman ako makalitos. Nahirapan po siyang magdesisyon kung saan siya iihi or mapupupu. Nakakaluka talaga itong asong to. Honestly. Kanina pa yan. Aalis na sana kami. Maganda yung temperature ngayon. Pero maginaw pa rin siya kahit 50 degree. 51 degree. Maginaw pa rin. So yun. I guess I will kita-kits lang tayo mamaya guys. Kasi magpunta po kami sa grocery store. Hi guys. Guys, I think I have a problem of changing mine, right?
Yeah.
It's right here. So, I decided while driving, nagdesisyon akong hindi na lang kami pupunta sa New Rochelle. So, ngayon, dahil kailangan namin ng creamer, dito na lang kami sa Walmart. Dire-diretso na lang kami dito sa Walmart. And then, bibili din kami ng bubble wrap dito. Hopefully, they have bubble wrap. So, yun. And it's a lot of people here. It's Tuesday afternoon. Well, morning still. Hanap lang ako ng pouch. Oh, meron sila. Hindi ko maabot. Abutin. Here, where did you put your cart? Where did you put your cart? Okay, they don't have the other one. That's this. Okay. Not so much with that. They don't like that, right?
They do, they love it.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. This is the one that we don't have. Where is it? No, the white thingy with the chicken.
Like this?
Yeah,
the
but
big packet.
yeah, we don't have the big one.
Is there another big packet?
No, this is the only one they have. So let's go. We're good, honey. Honestly.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, guys. Tapos na po. Tinanggal na namin yung... where did we park? It's over there. So, tinanggal namin yung mask kasi yung isa, nagyaw-yaw. Tapos na kami, guys, dito. Pauwi na. Masakit yung tiyan ko. Nagmabadali din kami kasi yung tiyan ko as is sobrang sakit na talaga. Murag kalibango na jud kay ko yung diarrhea na jud kay ko ba. Alam niyo guys, na ano ko sa Australia, walang mga mask yung mga tao doon. Kasi every time na may magkasakit, parang lockdown lahat. So, yung parang COVID. So, kaya sa Australia, wala talaga silang mask. Okay.
Trust science? Science says does not protect you from viruses.
Oh my God. You're trying your best. You're trying your best.
Man, so stupid.
Oh my God. Okay, I think it's over there. Hello guys. So yun, si Tami nagyaw-yaw. Kasi napapagod siya guys. Kasi nabasa niya ba? Nabasa niya yung package ng mask doon sa tindahan. Sabi pa ng package, the mask doesn't protect you from viruses. So naano siya, ano to? Kalukuhan. Kalukuhan ito, nagyaw-yaw tuloy. Nagyaw-yaw tuloy si Mr. Ito, ano to? Kalukuhan man ito eh. Bakit yung mga tao naniwala? Iwan nyo na. Iba-iba namang opinion natin guys, no? Pero plus nakita pa niya yung mask. Kaloka na loka talaga ako sa kanya. What's your cigarette, Han? I don't really smoke. I don't want you to smoke. But what's your cigarette? Because you're going to bitch.
I'm not going to the beach.
How you pronounce it, Han?
You were right.
No, I don't want you. I don't want you to bitch. No, bitch. New bitching, bitchy. Bitch.
Right, you pronounce it right. But you also
the water.
You also pronounce beach that way, so that's why I was playing with you.
Yeah, because it's
Because when
really
you say beach,
confusing,
you also say bitch.
my tongue. Did I really say that sometimes? Oh my God, Andrea! I only call Andrea bitch, and then she doesn't tell me I pronounce it wrong. She's so happy that she's a water. She doesn't say anything.
No, you pronounce bitch right. Beach that you pronounce wrong.
Yeah. It's 50 ano na, Han.
We gotta get creamer. I'm not worried about the bubble wrap if we're not going to another show.
Yeah. I'm not
I'll worry about it next
that.
time, but
So,
creamer I am worried about.
creamer, right?
Because you would push this off for a week.
Oh, so I guess I have to stop. Alam nyo guys, I every time I go out, you know what I notice? I feel like I'm having diarrhea, and then it's like my stomach is just a wreck for days now already. Like it's not even funny. And that's it. We're home. Ito yung gustong-gusto kong softener. Laundry softener. Ito siya. And because hindi ko siya makita mga ilang months na, ito yung ano ko, lavender. And we have a ton of them. Fighting up there, in the under and the other side. The dog is lucky we're home. Lucky we're home. Where is it? The pork. I got pork. So over there, behind the... You don't see? So bumili po ako ng pork. We have big one. It's for like family, a big pork. And I decided, oh my god, just me and Tommy, pork, always pork. So yan, I decided just to get this small thing. Yung roast, pang roast ba? Kasi the skin man yung inano ko. So this is the grass for the cat. Kasi si Hubs, wala akong makita, kawawang Hubs. Paborito pa naman niya yung catnip. Yung grass ni Dimples. Oh, ito po yung pork guys na binili ko. Look, kami lang naman dalawa. May malaki pa dito, guys. Yung ganun kalaki, ganun. Sabi ko, ang laki naman yan. So, hugasan po natin.
We weren't gone that long. You should get a treat. Like we've been gone all day.
Yeah. And didn't eat the dinner.
You got 2 treats because you didn't eat. But I thought we were going for a long time.
So, she's still not eating, huh?
I don't know. Somebody ate it.
Hmm? Nakalimutan ko, hindi pala ito i-marinate, i-boil. Sa tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nagluluto ng roast, pork roast. You know. Nakalimutan kong I have to boil it to make sure everything is cooked. And yun. Dahon ng laurel, bay leaves, yun. Yun. And ito, lutuin ko din ito. Gusto niyan, Brussels sprout. Hindi kami maanuhan ng Brussels sprout dito, guys, kasi masarap talaga yung Brussels sprout. This time, hindi ko siya lagyan ng bacon. Kasi wala naman talaga kaming bacon. Wala na. Hindi ako nakapag-defrost. Nakalimutan namin, guys, na lunchtime na pala. What time is it, honey?
1:15.
And we went to Walmart and Tommy forgot. The this one, oh. How do you call this? Wrap?
Yeah.
That one. Kailangan he want tortillas. He like it the bigger one version because he doesn't like the small version. While cooking something for dinner, I'm thinking what I'm gonna have for lunch. I want sardines.
Okay.
Itong sardines na to ba, masarap siya pero sobrang liit. Maliit siya, guys, pero alam nyo ba, it's 4 inside or probably 5 inside. Let me see. It's 4. I want sardines. Pasensya na, guys, may music. Copyright tayo. Ang sarap ng sardines, guys.
You know who that was?
Who is it?
Ringo Starr.
Huh?
Ringo Starr.
Who is that?
One of the Beatles.
Oh, it's one of the Beatles. Wait, they get separated when he sing that song? Guys, you're asking, sometimes you hear Thomas breathing. You said sometimes you hear it, right? It's very obvious to hear it. Because he has a nose problem, right, Han? He supposedly have a nose operation 2011. But end up, no. The doctor will go over there, the surgery is not there, right, Han? It takes forever for them to make an appointment, and then when we go there, it's not there, like that. So, and he doesn't want to go to other doctor. Meron siyang nose problem, and so now he is breathing with his mouth. But he can breathe still in the nose, of course. But mostly in the mouth.
Barely.
Yeah, barely in the nose, but mostly in the mouth breathing. And so when he's eating or munching something, his nose is trying to let the air out, like that's why you hear it like loud. You hear it louder because he's trying to breathe more. And sometimes Sometimes I cannot even kiss him longer because he can't breathe. I said, I want to chulalap with you. He doesn't want to chulalap longer. It's hard for him. That's why sometimes I chulalap my own, like, oh my golalay. That's what happens when you eat sardines.
That's what happens. Sardines make you drunk.
As a result of that specific word, regards as such and such is going to happen and such is going to happen.
Ito na siya, guys. Pero, lutuin ko pa yan. Magluto tayo ng maaga kasi para mamaya, wala na tayo masyadong gawin. Dito ko lang to i-plug. You know what? I cannot do this here. Because I'm going to cook a Brussels sprout mamaya. Nakalimutan ko na may Brussels sprout pala tayong lutuin. Namiss ko yung hindi man ako mahilig mag-disco kasi bawal noon. Namiss ko yung mga kanta pang disco sa Pinas. Ilagay na natin siya. Gustong-gusto ko to, guys, kasi pag ganun ba. Ba't blurry? Mata ba yung blurry ko or yung... Nahirapan ako, guys. Pinahirapan pa ako nitong maliit na anik. Nagbuto-buto siya eh. Some skin is crunchy, some is not yet. So, and ito siya, guys, sobrang liit. This is a small piece of pork. This is just
I'm mostly bold.
huh?
I'm mostly bold.
It's
That's
okay.
why I only got a bigger one.
I know, but it's just us. It's not good to keep eating
I know, there's all
pork.
bone in there. You don't get like an ounce of pork out of that.
Yeah, we will enjoy it tonight. It's just the two of us. Tapos na po yung Brussels sprout. Yan.
This is why I can't let it go to the store without me, guys.
What did you say?
This is why I can't let you go to the store without me.
No, honey. Because you buy a lot and you're big buyer.
I'm gonna pay $2 less and got one twice the size. I'm gonna have meat.
There is bigger and better for the whole family, but I said, oh my god, it won't fit
Do you
here.
look at the different price?
I don't even look at the price.
Same price.
Kung siya pa daw yung, kung siya yung bibili talaga, kung kasama ko siya kanina, pero kung andun siya na section na yon yung saan ako bumili ng ito, for sure talaga yung pinakamalaki yung kukunin niyan. Tinitignan ko, hindi siya mag-fit dito kasi sobrang laki talaga. So sabi ko, may mga malalaki din na magkasya dito, pero ito yung nagustuhan ko kasi sabi ko maliit ito, hindi tayo kakain ng pork. Palagi lang tayo ng pork. Kanina pa yan nangungulit. Yun, kanina pa yan nangungulit. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung ano yung gusto niya. I don't know. Kasi kumain naman, I think siya. I think kumain siya. Kung hindi siya yung kumain, kundi si Misty, I think gutom yan. Pag hindi kumain. Han! Roxy has been begging. Has been scratching my arm. I don't know. I don't know if she ate the dinner, the breakfast, Misty, or I don't know. Because she kind of like acting up. Go get. You want the bones? Do you want the bones? Go get the bones. Go get the bones, silly. Your sister cry. Malapit na itong matapos, guys. Hinihintay ko lang ito and then kakain na kami. Itong si Misty, magagalit talaga siya kapag lalapit si Roxy na may kinakain siya. Takot siyang kunin ni Roxy kaya galit na galit yan. Ha?
That little man get his butt up and go there.
Roxy's hungry, honey. They're both hungry. Look at this. Piña colada. It's a piña colada. Sheep, sheep. Oh my God, it's really tenderets. Tenderets, tenderots. It's a piña colada. You show me the way. So, kukunin ko lang ito. Okay. This is hot love, okay? Huh? A what? No.
Yeah.
Oh, you did, but why?
Because I bought a couple of them for gifts. I gave one as a gift. That one.
Yeah, but you don't even use it. Mom just bought this one.
No. I bought it as a gift.
But this one, it's a
Mom
bit.
invited this little boy.
It's
This
a
is mom as a gift.
Mom.
Right. I bought the other set. It was a George Foreman grill with the rotisserie. Crumbly.
Sobrang tender niya. I-try natin kung okay ba yung lasa niya. That's the process. Always okay. Thank you. This is a good piece, love. No, that's it. Why are you kidding me? The pork, the skin is right there. Huh? Yeah.
Came out good, you saying? What you trying to say? It's came out good?
Oh my God, it's so crunchy.
You don't.
What's your hand? Ay, nako, don't give me that hand. Oh my God. Han. It's purely crunchy. Oh my God.
Take this piece.
No, I'm taking the
I give you that
fat
because it had a little skin on it.
out. Why the whole, they give me the whole skin?
No, it's not all skin.
Hmm?
Where you need a piece with.
Oh.
You need meat. You can't just have the skin.
No. The good skin is right here.
How about this little piece of skin? Meat. Right.
Turn it around, the skin is right here. Han, have the rice, Han. You want lo mein? You want me to hit it? No. Are you sure? Oh my God.
Well, as soon as I turned it on, you started talking. I just forgot all about it. Pressed a different button.
I forgot Tommy to... I've been filming here, guys, and it's not recording. I'm teaching Tommy how to wash clothes, and he doesn't know how to wash. Look.
Yeah, okay. I'm washing clothes since I'm 12.
Yeah, with washing machine, haha. You're
yeah,
not...
Yeah, but I also get stains on it.
No. It's different when you wash in the river, the whole cloth.
That's true. I never washed in a river.
Yeah, but the whole...
Yes, I wash in a sink. We get stains out my hand.
Yeah, but the jeans, everything. There's no washing machine. Everything is hand wash. Everything is hand wash. Okay, so now, is that Ivana Alawi version kind of washing?
Ivana Ulu? Ivana what?
Alawi. You would-
Ivana Alawi? Who's Ivana Alawi? I don't know her.
You would like her, honey.
Ivana Alawi.
Yeah, you would like her.
Well, if you say so.
A lot of guys fantasize her.
Ivana Alawi.
Yeah.
Is that because she allows them? Ivana Alawi?
Now she's going to research Ivana Alawi.
No, he's not.
Yes.
Like I wouldn't even be able to spell Alawi.
No, if you just type Ivana,
It'll come up with Trump. Are you kidding?
that's Ivanka, hon.
Oh, right, it's Ivanka. Ivanka.
Okay, that's how you teach your husband because, you know, he doesn't know how to kuso-kuso like this. Chung, chung, chung. He doesn't know, he do like this.
Yeah. I'll put it in the fucking dishwasher.
So you don't do washing machine, you do dishwasher.
No, why not?
Going to end the vlog. Thank you guys. Salamat. Nasarapan kami sa luto namin na pork roast. So, masarap naman siya as in sarap. So, yun. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And dun si Tami sa labas. And then, matutulog na rin kami. Yun. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night.